A Modern Way to Eat. The book is divided into 9 chapters, each focusing on a different type of dish. These chapters include breakfasts, salads, soups, grains, noodles and pasta, roasts, puddings and bakes, small plates, sweets, and condiments. Each chapter contains a variety of recipes that showcase the versatility of vegetarian cooking. Some of the recipes in the book include sweet potato quesadillas with coriander and lime yogurt, spiced carrot and chickpea burgers with avocado and feta, roasted cauliflower and hazelnut salad with pomegranate and mint, miso brown rice bowl with ginger and sesame dressing, Detrue and quinoa burgers with horseradish yogurt, creamy lemon and black pepper linguine, chocolate and peanut butter swirl cake, raspberry and elderflower sorbet. A Modern Way to Eat is a great resource for anyone looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into their diet, or simply to explore new vegetarian dishes.